Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm in my parents' bathroom. If it echoes, I'm really sorry, but they have like a really amazing LED mirror that they just installed and I love it, and I always do my hair and makeup in here. Talking about hair and makeup, one of the most requested things I've been asked to do is make a video about this. So I have a lot of hair. And it's like wavy and curly and all that stuff. And a lot of people ask me how I tame it because I work in a professional environment and I have to have my hair either up or like really well professionally done. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. So first of all, a few products that I use Sorry, that was a little too dramatic. My scrunchie just fell. I use this. I actually got this in one of my influencer packages. It's from Not Your Mother's Natural. It's a matcha green tea with apple blossom deep conditioning. So I use this like once a month. I put it in my hair. I put it like everywhere. I try to do it on the parts that are dyed because that parts are more damaged than like the roots where it's like my own natural hair. So I put it on everywhere, wait like a couple minutes, usually 10 to 20 minutes depending on how much product I put, and then I go in the shower and I wash it off. Or if I don't do that, I do like weekly little treatments. So one day I'll do like castor oil on the bottom to hydrate it. I'll do like coconut oil, like I get it from Trader Joe's. It comes in this like cute little jar. I put it on the bottom, wait a couple minutes, and then go into the shower and shower. Usually that I do it at night because that day that I do it, my hair looks really oily, but the next morning when I wake up and like brush my hair off, it looks amazing and like it gives it that extra shine. So I'm not gonna do this today because I already took a shower this morning, so I did it like last week. But I also use, when I get out of the shower and I'm like rushing and I need my hair to get dry really fast, I use leave-in conditioner. Usually I use the L'Oreal 7-in-1 leave-in conditioner and I absolutely love that. I also got that from Influencer. I actually ran out of that, so I need to go to Target and get another one. But in the meantime, until I get that, I've been using this. It's a Briogeo. It's from my BoxyCharm box. Actually, it's a leave-in conditioner. I put it on, like, kind of like spray it everywhere after I get out of the shower. It kind of helps like tame my hair a little. Not only that, but it also helps it like dry faster. So today I actually did not use any of that because I was running around the house so much that like my hair dried on its own. But to style it, I'm actually gonna curl my hair. Before I do that, I brush my hair. I use this wet brush pro. So I'm just gonna brush my hair a little. When I brush it, it gets that like hair that's stuck in it out, and it kind of like tames my hair a little. Hair's like out of it. I can start. Okay, so after I brushed my hair, I kind of divided it into like lower half and upper half. And then I tied up this thing in like a little bun. Hold on, I'm like trying my hardest. My hair is like really thick and like sometimes it just doesn't want to cooperate, which is horrible. I swear God, you guys think this is like all fun and jokes, but when I cut my hair, it was like 4 pounds. And then I start with the bottom and I cut that in half as well. So it's like a lower and upper half, and I just like put this up with my little thing over here, and then I start from the bottom up. I use this, which is from Hot Tools Professionals. I've used this for years. I mean like years. Like I've had this since college and it still works really amazing, and I love like tools like that that you can use for years. My hair's really good right now because I've just done a treatment like a week ago. But usually when it isn't, I also use this keratin therapy. I get this from Target and it's really cool. I'm actually like running out, so I need to make another Target trip soon. But I'm just waiting for my leave-in conditioner to honestly finish so I can just buy both of them at the same time. I hate going to the store. Like, I don't know. If I need one thing, I walk into the store and then buy a bunch of things, and I'm just like, that's such a waste of money. So I wait until I actually need like a few things and then I go together. So then I don't have to buy like useless stuff that I see. Especially Target. Have you guys noticed when you walk into Target, your money just like goes? Like, I walk into Target for one thing and then just like my money just boom, gone. And I buy like a bunch of useless stuff that I probably won't even need. I also do, like, sometimes when I'm in a rush between work and school and stuff, I also order online. Target has a really good service where you can order online and then just pick up in the store, and they get it ready for you within like 2-3 hours. And sometimes I do that. There's a Target in front of USC, so I really like that. It's really convenient, and there's Target like close to my house too. So sometimes when one doesn't have the product I need, I go to the other one. But usually I try to do that too. Like, I wait till I need a few things and then order it online and just pick it up in store. The good thing about that is when you walk in, you just go and pick up the things and you don't have to like walk around and buy useless things you don't need. The bad thing about that is if you do need something besides the few things that you ordered, you have to wait another like couple hours for them to get it ready, or you have to go back into the aisles and buy it, and then you have to wait in line to pick up your other online orders. It's just like kind of inconvenient. So I make sure I have like everything. I ordered everything online before I go. I also hate when my hair gets all messed up. This part, I kind of just like curl it outwards because I like to have this volume right here. What I do after I'm done with all of my hair, I just put my fingers through it and just kind of like do a little shake like this, and it gives it that volume like right here. And then I just kind of go with my fingers through my hair a little. I don't like brushing it out because when I brush it, like the whole effect of this like waves kind of like go away. But if you put your fingers through it just real quickly, it gives that full volume. And then at the end, I just spray it a little more with this. Okay. And then this should calm it down a little. This is what the hair looks like from the back. It's like very nice waves. And then what I also do, actually someone just gave this to me and I discovered this. I use this, which is the OKUURRR anti-freeze. It kind of looks like a cigarette box. I just dropped one. It looks like a cigarette box when you open it. It's the anti-freeze sheets. So I'm actually gonna use one. I am obsessed with these. These are so freaking good. You don't use too much because if you use too much, it gives you hair oily. But the freezes that I have right here, I just take the sheet and just go over it really quickly. If you put it on, if you dab it on there, it kind of just like makes your hair oily. But if you go really fast, just like 1, 2, 3 strokes. Oh my god, what is happening? This is so unorganized. I do apologize for that. But anyways, just go 1, 2, 3, 4. I just go around and then just put my fingers through my hair, just like real quick, and voila. This is my look. This is how I tame my hair. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give it a like and subscribe. If not, it's good. Don't worry about it. I'm still happy. My hair still looks good. Just makes me feel so good when my hair is done. I don't know why. Even when I have nothing on my face, like no makeup, nothing, my hair is done, I automatically feel so good. My hair and my nails, that's all. Makeup, I don't really care for. I like it. It makes me feel better, but you know. My hair and my nails are just like totally different. Anyways, hope you guys like this video. I am done. I have so many errands to run, so I'm gonna go. Hope you guys liked it. Have a wonderful day. Bye!